Good morning, students. Today our topic is about parts of speech. There are mainly 8 parts of speech in English language. They are nouns, pronouns, verb, adjective, adverbs, conjunction, interjection, preposition. Parts of speech are identified by the place they have in the sentence, not by their meanings. The first one is noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or any idea. Noun are the subject of a sentence. For example, Ali, a teacher. Ali is the boy, so Ali is noun. Some types of noun. Singular noun. Singular noun names only one person, place, thing, or idea. For example, an apple, a mobile phone, a table. Plural nouns names two or more person, place, thing. For example, mobile phones, chairs, tables. Then proper and common noun. Proper noun refers to specific person, place, things, any idea. They are always capitalized. For example, Holy Quran, Multan, Minare Pakistan. Common nouns are all others nouns. They are not capitalized unless they are the first word in the sentence. For example, cat, ballpoint, etc. Collective noun. Collective nouns are the nouns that are grammatically considered singular but include more than one person, place, thing, or idea in their meaning. They emphasize group as one unit. For example, family, class, countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun can be counted. Ballpoints, eggs. Uncountable noun cannot be counted. Water, sand, hair. Abstract and concrete noun. Concrete noun are nouns that can touch. They are people, place, something, person, pencil, hand, mobile phone. These are the example of concrete noun. Abstract noun are nouns that cannot be touched. For example, love, justice, satisfy, faith, religion are the example of abstract noun. The second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. In a short word, you can say instead of noun or replacing the noun is called pronoun. For example, in a first sentence, Ali is the boy, so Ali is noun. So we are replacing Ali by he, so he is pronoun, he is a boy. Then types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, they refer to specific persons or thing. Personal pronoun can act as subject, object. Personal pronoun can be singular or plural. Singular, for example, I, me, you, she, her, he, him, it. Plural, we, us, you, they, them. Possessive pronoun indicates ownership of possession. For example, my, mine, your, yours, his, its, theirs. Reflexive pronoun name as a receiver of an action who is identical to the doer of the action. For example, he congratulated himself on his good grades. So himself is reflexive pronoun. Third one is adjective. Adjective modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. For example, I feel happy, so happy is adjective. Ali is a good boy, so good is adjective because he is indicating Ali. Ali is noun. So telling us the characteristics of noun or pronoun is called adjective. Then verb, anything in an action is called verb. For example, he is running, so running is verb. He is going is verb. He is eating is verb. Then the next type is adverb. An adverb is a verb that modifies an action, verb or adjective, any other adverb. For example, he runs fast. So runs is verb and fast is adverb. Types of adverb. Adverb of manner tells us that in which manner the action occurs or how the action occurs or will occur. He speaks loudly. Loudly. He was driving slowly. Slowly. These are adverbs. Adverb of time tells us about the time of the action. Do it now. So now is adverb of time. Adverb of place tells us about the place of the action. He will come here. So here is the adverb of place. Adverb of frequency tells us how many times the action occurs. He goes to school daily. So daily is adverb of place. The next type is conjunction. These are the conjunctions. These are the words that combine or connect words or sentences. For example, Ali is a boy and he is also my friend. So and is conjunction. So these are the three types of conjunction: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So the first one is coordinating conjunction. For example, for, and, nor, but, yet, so. Ali likes to eat, but Zuhaib likes to play. So but is coordinating conjunction. Correlative conjunction also join ideas but work in pairs. Both, both and, neither nor, whether or, either or, only but, not only but also. Not only I am happy about the grade, but I am also excited that you are learning. Not only and but are correlative conjunction. Subordinating conjunction join an independent clause with a subordinate clause. That is, they join a clause that can stand alone with the clause that cannot stand alone. For example, although the students were tired, they still come in the class. Next one is interjection. Interjection are words that used to express emotion state. For example, oh, hurrah, alas, wow, hi, ops, ouch. So it has an explanatory mark also. Then preposition. Preposition are the words that, like conjunction, join a noun, pronoun to another word in a sentence. Some prepositions are about, before, down, into, above, behind, during, like, to, across, below, expect, toward, after, of, for, of, under, among, beside, on, up, around, between, etc. So it's about parts of speech. If you have a question, so you can ask in your WhatsApp group or any other social site or messenger. Allah Hafiz, take care.